To begin, install drain base in preferred location in shower footprint. Then secure the drain base in place with water-resistant fasteners and remove the test plug. To begin, take measurements from the wallboard to the center of the drain and record the measurements. Next, dry fit the foam panels in the shower pan area and adjust if necessary. Then, dry fit the flange adapter. Remove the dry fit materials and clean the shower footprint. Then, using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square notch trowel, spread a layer of thinset over the shower area. Next, press the foam panels firmly into position. Walk on them to apply pressure to achieve full coverage bonding. Install the curb. Apply pressure to achieve full coverage bonding. Next, secure the curb with provided T25 lag screws and anchor from above in a wood construction application. Start by cleaning drain base with acetone or goof-off to remove any thin-set residue. Then, take the flange adapter and align the slot pattern to the brass inserts on the drain base. Using the provided hex bolts and washer, hand tighten into the drain base at 4 brass insert locations. Using an alternate tightening pattern, tighten hex bolts 5 to 7 revolutions, creating a uniform seal with the dual profile gasket. Install number 8 screws into countersunk anchor points until snug. Finally, install Odie's tool-free test plug. Begin by measuring the length, width, and depth of the shower base from the top of the shower curb. Next, create a 7-inch square at one of the corners. Then, measure 36 inches, which is the interior width of the shower footprint, and mark. Measure 7 inches from the edge and create another 7-inch square at the corner. After you've marked your corners, cut the inside corner and fold to create a flap. Repeat on the other marked corner. Next, measure 36 inches from the inside of the cut corner and 7 inches from the edge to create a rectangle and mark. Next, measure 2 3/8 inches from your inside line and mark. Then, X out this section. Repeat these measurements on the opposite side. Then, cut out the X'd section and fold over on the inside cut. Repeat cutout on the other side and fold over. Lastly, fold up the top and bottom. You're now ready to install the sheet membrane. First, dry fit the sheet membrane. Next, cut an X over the drain hole and push the test plug through. Remove the sheet membrane. Next, using a margin trowel, spread a layer of thinset on the 2-inch wide perimeter of the flange adapter. Fill in keyholes around the exterior of the flange adapter. Then apply the remainder of the thinset with a 3/16" V-notch trowel. Take membrane and insert into the shower pan. Press firmly in the area of the flange adapter. Using plastic drywall knives, remove all air trapped and smooth the thinset to achieve full embedment of quick liner. Once floor membrane is smooth of all air bubbles, apply thinset to vertical walls within shower area. Then, immediately press and smooth sheet membrane into corners and up the wall. Repeat on the opposite side and back of the shower wall. Next, using a 3/16" V-notch trowel, apply thinset to top and sides of curb. Press and smooth sheet membrane around all sides of curb with mud knife. Dry fit the pre-cut corner pieces and mark their location on the inside curb. Then apply QuickDrain modified urethane sealant and set the corner piece in place. Press and smooth the corner into place. Finally, cut the curb covers to size and outline. Then apply QuickDrain modified urethane sealant inside the marked area and set the curb covers in place. Smooth the excess sealant from below the corners. Repeat steps for all inside corners and curb covers. Start by removing the waterproofing from the recessed area of the flange adapter and remove the excess thinset. Once the thinset has cured per the manufacturer's recommendations, flood test the shower. After you've flood tested the shower, remove the test plug and install the threaded outlet adapter. Next, place the weep guard over the threaded outlet adapter, then insert the stainless steel tailpiece of the drain body to the desired height. Finally, insert the basket strainer and desired drain cover.